Our next speaker today is Faris. He is 11 years old and has perfected his boycotting technique in the last 13 months. He has not bought a single American or Israel supporting product. He also listens to Palestinian songs and raps to express himself, and today he brings you another one of his favorites. So please welcome Faris.
Sorry excuse of a soldier, causing this pain became your culture. The lying on the news with no exposure, taking our homes with bulldozers. Too many images I can't unsee. I feel like my heart is being stabbed and squeezed. They're killing my people every day overseas. How you shoot a child when he begging and breathe? He begging you please, while you watch him bleed. Yeah, nobody knows who the real villains be. So watch us expose what's your real goal, the world's gonna know the truth. You can erase us, dropping guns and face us. We got children braver than your man, you will never break us. You got people brainwashed, I swear this is a Holocaust. Murder women and children, the flippers get to blame on us. Let's talk on the news, they say it's conflict. Zionists celebrate when palms it makes me so sick, I'm nauseous. We got kids bleeding out unconscious. Call it for what it is, you're murdering all these kids. You better out where they live and they've got nowhere to go, nowhere to go. Poor young soul, wipe the tears, all let them flow. Regardless, you got more strength than anybody knows. I promise they are cowards while you're a king of ours. Yeah. Call it for what it is, 'cause it's a Holocaust. Who got the audacity to blow up a mosque? Cut so deep inside of me. They got the audacity to lie and repeat. The world goes blind, open your eyes and see. They have everybody hypnotized and deceived. Tell them that your goal is to wipe us from existence. I swear to God, you're gonna lose to the resistance. You can erase us, dropping guns and face us. We got children braver than your men, you'll never break us. You got people brainwashed, I swear this is a Holocaust. Murder women and children, the flippers get to blame on us. How you stay silent? My people been dying 70 plus years of Israeli violence. How you stay silent? My people been dying. Rest in peace to everybody dying from the Zionists. They're trying to erase us. Yeah, this is a Holocaust, just wake up. Free Palestine from the racists. Yeah, I swear to God, you'll never break us. They're trying to erase us. Yeah, this is a Holocaust, just wake up. Free Palestine from the racists. Yeah, I swear to God, you'll never break us. Thank you.